Today, we will check how to use the SHEIN mobile app for online shopping. First of all, you need to install the SHEIN app on your mobile phone. Once the installation is complete, simply tap on the app icon to open it. Once the app opens, you will see a variety of products displayed on the screen, ready for shopping. As you can see, some special deals will pop up, but these offers can only be accessed after logging in or signing up. So tap on the Collect All button. This will take you to the Login or Sign Up page. From here, you can create your account using your email or phone number, or select any available option to complete the account setup or login process. Once you're done, you will land on your SHEIN profile page. Now, let's go back to the shop page. Here, you can again see a pop-up with offers based on your region or location. To claim these deals, simply tap on the Shop Now button. This will take you to the coupon page where all available coupons are listed. To use a coupon, tap on Shop on the left side, and a new page will open displaying products available under that specific offer. From here, you can continue the purchase process. Now let's go back and start exploring the homepage. At the top right corner, you'll see a mail icon. Tap on it, and a new page will open where you can view messages related to your orders, activities, promo codes, and news about the latest offers or deals. Next, tap on the calendar icon. This section allows you to earn daily rewards. As you can see, you have earned 1 point. You can also see the total number of points and their value according to your selected currency. Make sure to visit this section daily to collect rewards, which you can later use as discounts while shopping. At the top center, you'll find the search bar, which you can use to search for products using keywords. Alternatively, tap on the camera icon to scan or capture an image and find similar products instantly. Next to it is the heart icon, which shows the products you've added to your wish list. You can revisit and purchase them anytime. After exploring these features, let's explore product categories. You'll find a wide range of categories in the SHEIN app. You can explore them and simply select one based on your needs. For example, let's choose the jewelry and accessories category. A new page will open showing related subcategories and products. Scroll down to explore and select any product that suits your preference. For example, let's select glasses and it will open the product page. The first step here is to check the product images to ensure they match what you're looking for. Once you confirm the product is correct, close the images and then review the product price and any available discounts. Check the shipping details. For example, this product currently offers free shipping in this location, but shipping charges may vary depending on your region. On the left, you will see product reviews left by other users along with the number of units sold. If the product has high ratings and good reviews, it indicates that the seller is reliable. Next is an important section, choosing the product color. This section may be different for different products. For clothing items, it may include size selection, which is very important to choose according to your body type or preference. So check it carefully to get the exact product you are looking for. Then select the quantity you want to purchase. Make sure your shipping address is correctly added and check the estimated delivery time SHEIN will take to deliver the product to your location. You can also go through additional user reviews for more confidence before purchasing. Once everything looks good, tap on Add to Cart at the bottom, and the product will be added to your cart. To access your cart, tap on the cart icon from the top menu. A new page will open showing all the products you've added. Make sure the desired product is checkmarked, and at the bottom, you can see if a coupon is applied. Then tap on Checkout with Coupon to continue. On the next page, confirm your shipping details, including your current location, name, phone number, and full address to avoid any delivery issues. After that, select your preferred payment method and complete the checkout process. Now let's go back to the products page. Here, you can also find products related to upcoming events, seasonal offers, or special occasions. These are tailored based on your country, region, and current trends. Now, let's explore other tabs. From the bottom menu, tap on Category, and it will open a full list of product categories. Select any category to find exactly what you're looking for. Next, tap on the Trends tab. Here, you'll find trending products that are currently popular among buyers on SHEIN. You can also find top trending hashtags. Simply select one, and it will filter and show specific trending items accordingly. You may also see trending stores here showcasing products, which you can explore based on your interest. The next tab is Cart, which we have already explored, so now let's move to the next section, which is your profile page. On the profile page, you'll see your profile name and image at the top. You can update these details anytime. On the top left corner, if you tap the gear icon, it will open the settings page. Here, you can manage your address, payment methods, location, language, and currency, or resolve any issues. Below that, you'll find the coupon section, where all available coupons are listed. It's always a good idea to check this section before shopping to get the best deals. You'll also see the points section, where you can track your daily rewards. Next is the wallet, where your account balance is shown. Since this is a new account, we don't have any balance yet. You can also access the gift card option to send or receive gift cards. In the order section, you can track all your orders, including unpaid, processing, delivered, reviewed, and returned items. Additionally, you'll find customer service support in case you need help. You can also view the stores you follow and check your browsing history, including the products you've recently viewed and the wish list options as well. And that's it. This is a complete overview of how to use the SHEIN app for shopping.